What is your name?
My name is Alexis Nani.
How old are you?
I'm 2 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Taguig City.
What is your favorite color?
My color is pink.
Who is your mother?
Father's name is AA and Mommy Ding Ding.
Someday, what do you want to be?
Someday I want to be a doctor.
What kind of doctor?
Magagamot sa bata.
Very good. You want to sing to us?
Yes. Somewhere out there, we need a paradise. There, where are you? Somewhere out there, come through.
Other song
Yes,
you want to sing?
yes. Somewhere out there, we will moonlight. Ano, yung bata. Somewhere out there, we know a paradise. There will be our day. Somewhere out there, come to.
Very good! Tayong dalawa.
Can you count number in Spanish?
Yes.
Okay, count number in Spanish.
1, 2,
Uno.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Parang may kulang. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye!
Mommy, I love you.
I love you.
Mommy, I love you, Mommy. I love you, Daddy.
I love you, my daddy.
Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Say happy birthday. Mom.
Bye.
Bye.
Say happy birthday to Mom.
Hey, mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy.